that the adjudicators allowed pupils to defend their projects in languages of their choice. Recommendations were made for the following areas for improvement. 1, the organizers needed to set clear categories of the competition. For example, if it's recipes, gadgets, or collections, because if they are too mixed, it becomes difficult for the adjudicators to come up with a fair competition. There was also evidence that some of the projects were not done by pupils, but by the teachers. Please, let's allow the young scientists to learn and give them an opportunity to have a hands-on their projects. Give children room to display their scientific exploration. Teachers, parents, and siblings are there to give guidance and encouragement, but not to do work on behalf of the children. This would also affect children's articulation or confidence, because the project would have been given to them. It becomes difficult for them to defend something they did not make. There is also need to take up science clubs throughout the year, as some projects were ill-prepared, or some submitted works that were showcased in previous editions. So to avoid these repetitions, there is need to be innovative and take into cognizance the problems around us and solve them scientifically throughout the whole year. Hence, scientific exploration should not be an event but a process. It was also good to note that these projects really related to the learning process of children in ECD grade 1 and 2. For example, the old toothbrush collection in one project. In the playhouse, they could use it for polishing shoes. In art and craft, they could use it for painting. In language, they could use it for identification of colors and matching. It was impressive to note this in a number of the projects. Then lastly, the fact that teachers end up doing work on behalf of the children would speak of the fact that there is need for a teacher's science fair. So the organizers maybe need to have a competition for the teachers against each other. With this, we want to thank you so much. We enjoyed adjudicating the work of the pupils. Thank you.